सुभद्राभ्यां जगन्नाथाय ते नमः। श्यामलिमछटाभिरभितो मिन्दीकृतेन्दीवरं जाड्यं जागुडरुचिषां विदधतं पटाम्बरं च श्रियां बृन्दारण्यविलासिनो हृदि लसत्कामाभिरामोदरं राधास्कन्दनिवेशितजलभुजं ध्यायेम दामोदरम्। त्वमादिदेव करुणानिधानं तमालवर्णं सुहृदावतारम् अपार संसार समुद्र सेतुं भजामहे भागवत स्वरूपम। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम राम। जय श्री गुरु गौरांग गंधर्व विकास गिरिधारी गोविंद गोपीनाथ मदन मोहन जी की जय। बलदेव जगन्नाथ सुभद्रा सुदर्शन जी की जय। जय श्री राधा दामोदर जी की जय। वृषभानुनंदिनी श्री राधा रानी की जय। नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं लसत्कुण्डलंगो कुलेभ्राजमानं। नमामीश्वरं चिदानन्दरूपं लसत्कुण्डलंगो कुलेभ्राजमानं। यशोदाभियोलु फलाब्धावमानं परामृष्टमर्त्या ततो धृतगोप्या। नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं लसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले भजमानं। नमामि रुदन्तं मुहुर्नेत्र युग्मं रुजन्तं कराम्भोजयुग्मेन शातङ्कनेत्रम्। मुहुर्नेत्र युगं रुजन्तं मुहुश्वासकम्प त्रिरेखाङ्ककण्ठ मुहुश्वासकम्प स्थितग्रीवदामोदरं भक्तिभद्रं स्थितग्रीवदामोदरं नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं लसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले भजमानं। इति दृक्सलिलाभिरानन्दकुण्डे सघोषं निमज्जन्त आख्यापयन्तम्। इति तदीयसितज्ञेषु भक्तिर्जितत्वं न प्रेमतस्तं शताद्रुति वन्दे। नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं लसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले भजमानं। हरं देवमोक्षं न मोक्षावधिं वा न चान्यं गुणेहं वरेशादपि। हरं देवमोक्षं न मोक्षा इदन्ते बपूर्नाथ गोपाल बालम इदन्ते सदा मे मनसा वीरास्तं किरण्ये नमामि परं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं रससुन्दरं गोकुले विराजमानं दन्ते मुखाम्बुजं अत्यन्तनीले वृतं कुन्तळे स्निग्धरक्तैश्च गोप्या दन्ते मुखाम्बुजं मुहुचुम्बितं बिम्बरक्ताधरं मे मुहुचुम्बितं मनसा विरासाङ्गलं लक्षलाभे नमामि करं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं रससुन्दरं गोकुले विराजमानं नमो देवदामोदरानन्त विष्णु प्रसिद्ध प्रभो दुःख जालाभिमग्नं नमो कृपा दृष्टि वृष्ट्याति दीनं बतानो कृपा दृष्टि विहाणे समामज्ञमेधकीदृश विहाणे नमामि परं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं रससुन्दरं गोकुले विराजमानं कुबेरात्मजौ बधमूर्ति भजत्वत् त्वयामोचितौ भक्ति भाजौ कृतौ च कुबेरात्मजौ बध तथा प्रेम भक्तिं सकामे प्रजच्छ मुखे ग्रहो मेस्ति दामोदरेह नमामि सरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं रससुन्दरं गोकुले विराजमानं नमस्तेस्तु धाम्ने स्फुरदीप्तिधाम्ने त्वदीयधरायस्य विश्वस्य धाम्ने नमो राधिकायै त्वदीयप्रियायै नमो राधिकायै नमो नन्तलीलाय देवाय तुभ्यं नमो नन्तलीलाय देवाय नमामि सरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं रससुन्दरं गोकुले विराजमानं नमामि सरं नमामि सरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं रससुन्दरं गोकुले विराजमानं नमस्तेस्तु धाम्ने स्फुरदीप्तिधाम्ने त्वदीयोदरायस्य विश्वस्य धाम्ने नमस्तेस्तु धाम्ने नमो राधिकायै त्वदीयप्रियायै नमो राधिकायै नमो नन्तलीलाय देवाय तुभ्यं नमो नन्तलीलाय नमो राधिकायै त्वदीयप्रियायै नमो नमो राधिकायै त्वदीयप्रियायै नमो नन्तलीलाय देवाय तुभ्यं दामोदर राधा दामोदर दया कर राधा दामोदर राधा राधे जय राधे जय राधे जय श्री राधे राधे जय राधे जय राधे जय राधे जय राधे जय श्री राधे हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल साई गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि जय श्री राधा दामोदर जी की जय। महाराज की जय। The first of all, I offer my respectful obeisances to His Divine Grace, Nityalila Prishtam Vishnupada Srila Sri Bhakti Puri Goswami Guru Maharaj, and Nityalila Srila Sri Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj Prabhupada, Nityalila Srila Bhakti Jivanandan Goswami Maharaj, all our Guru Vargas, and with all associates, Nityalila Prishtam Vishnupada Srila Bhakti Vedanta Swami Thakur Prabhupada, all Parampara Acharyas. By their mercy, we will able to enter this ocean of the Leela of the Supreme Lord. I offer my respect and love to all Vaishnavas here present and who are in online, our Sripad Sarvadik Prabhu and others. Of the month of Kartik, we started yesterday. We continue our same topic which we were discussing in Purushottam month, but now in Kartika month, Radha Damodar, which is our worshipable God, we discuss about Damodara Astaka. Yesterday we discussed the first verse, and today we discuss second verse, how the Satyavrata Muni, who saw this Leela, these pastimes of the Supreme Lord, he saw him when he was worshipping him and meditating him, how the Supreme Lord becomes control of the devotees. Devotees means how Mother Yashoda tied him with one rope, and Krishna, he show his opulence, his mystic power, but all his mystic power could not work with this bhakti, prema bhakti of Mother Yashoda. And Krupaya Asisha Bandhan, he, in the last moment, the Supreme Lord, he defeated. This is the most in Damodar Leela glorious there. So yesterday we discussed how Satyavrata Muni, he offered Dandavat, who is Sachidananda Rupa, and with fear to Mother Yashoda, he was running, and Mother Yashoda running after him in this fearful condition. The Supreme Lord, he is Ashoka Abhaya, he is Abhaya, he has no fear, and everyone fear to him is Kala, it's time, which he controlled to whole universe. Now he feared to Mother Yashoda. Next verse he told, how he feared. Rudantang muhur netra jugmang mrujantam karambhoja jugmena satanka netrang muhuswasa kampa trirekhanka kantham thitagreivadamodarang bhaktibaddham. Rudantang muhur, Rudantang, he is crying, loudly crying. When mother following to him, actually mother cannot run because she little became middle age and her body became fat. How? But she was thinking, this Krishna is very little, so how he can walk, he can run, he can catch easily. But here he told, who can cut him? By mind, yogis in samadhi, they cannot touch him. But Paramrishtamatya, but Mother Yashoda, by her love, she followed to him. Then Krishna started to cry loudly. Then when Yashoda saw he is crying loudly, and she also became a little tired. Her hair open, the flower garland fell down, and Bhagavatam has written this, and his cloth could not control. She became also tired, and Krishna also started to cry loudly, and Mother Yashoda told to other gopis, oh, cut him, he's running, catch him. So, in this way, when they were running, but Krishna was looking backside to the stick. Stick was with mother's hand. So Krishna was looking at stick and crying. The stick, when it's moving, then Krishna is crying. Then mother understood, oh, he is fearing to the stick. Then mother told, okay, I am throwing the stick, you stand, don't go. Then mother throw the stick. Then after the stick left, then Krishna said, okay, now I saved. At least the stick cannot beaten me by a stick. A mother by hand, what she can do? She cannot do anything. So she, when Rudantang muhur netra jugam mrujantam. How Krishna was crying, loudly she was crying. Then in his lotus hand, he started with 2 hands to mrujantam, crossing his eyes. Really, there is no tears, only drama, only showing this. When mother throw this stick, then he stand. Mother told her, don't, I will not beat you, you stand, you don't go. Then he shall throw, then he stand. Rudandang muhur netram jugam rujantam. When he was crying, then after throw this, he stopped to cry, but started to his eyes just to clean his tears. But what happened? Mother painted his eyes with black, these paints. So he is black, blue black. And after this black, this ointment, when together crossed by hands, the face became more beautiful. Karambhuja jugmena satanka netram. Atanka netram is with fear and some tears there. Atanka muhu swasa kampa trirekhanka kantam. Muhu swasa kampa. And he is crying just like he's heavily breathing. And his throat like conchal, like his shape, and a three-folded there. Three-folded his throat, and he has many also necklace. Mother tied up there. This throat, griva, looks very beautiful. Trirekhanka kantham, his throat, three lines there, rekhankanam. Then in this position, mother caught him. Mu swasa kampa trirekhanka kantham sthita griva damodara bhakti batham. Then sthita griva. Then he stand and the mother caught his ear. Now, rascal, what are you doing? You are running. Where will you go now? Then she caught him. Then he told, I will teach you how. After she brought to house many gopis, also his friends, they also came. Mother Rohini came. It is elaborately written in Srimad Bhagavatam. And he started to tie him. That did not beat. He told, I will try to you, I will not give you food. Then you will be hungry. And then you cry, I will not give you food. Then you will never do to break the pot, steal butter, do anything. You always, this, every house you are doing this. So, here, Satyavata Muni, when he saw this, how she can tie to him? He had no begin and end. Ananta is Achyuta. So, Bhakti Badham is actually not tied in rope. Who can tie him in rope? First, she tried to tie with a small rope. Even has written, because Krishna was that time like 2.5 years, so very small his body. So she took her rope, what she bound with her head, and she wanted to tie, but could not tie. Then she brought one rope which they tie to the calf. Then she brought another rope joint there, another rope joint. All the house, how many ropes they brought, joint together, it becomes more long. but could not more to tie one knot. This ropes became very long. Krishna's belly, body is same. Not he expanded like Vamana Avada. Vamana expanded his body, no? 1 feet he took up to all heavenly planet. But here it did not expand anything. Same, but could not tie. So all gopis, they come and they saw Mother Ravani also saw. She told, oh, you became mad. You see how many ropes you are jointed there. You could not tie to him. Still you are angry. You wanted to die with determined. You are crazy. He told, no, I will tie him. I need to chastise him. You see how he break all this pot, lose and giving, distributing this battle to monkeys. You are all there. You are saying me. I was always quarreling with you. Now I saw he is doing. So Krishna always praising into looking to gopis. They can advocate for him, from him to mother to pacify. Is looking with his glance. Then all gopis tell today, okay, now today you will get some punishment. You are suffering to us. So in their internal bhava, by the glance, they enjoying this bhava. Now, after matarha parishramam društva krupayasi sabandhan, when Krishna saw mother is determined, she does not want to leave, so she became tired. So what to do? Then Leela Shakti, the Bhakti Leela Shakti, she immediately changed and mother tied him. How he put knot, tightly she cannot open, can open otherwise. So she put tightly the knot. So how? Bhakti Badham, not by rope, by bhakti. Is a miracle. Bhakti Badham. Rudandang muhur netrang yugam mrajantam karam bhuja jugmena shatanka netrang muhur swasa kampa trirekhanka kantam sthita greva damo darang bhakti badham. Now, in front of him, he is tired. Mother saw him. He feared like it. Then mother told her, yes, this is punishment to you, and I will not give you food. No milk, no yogurt, no butter, no rice, no dal, nothing. You stay here without food, and you will be okay. Then she left for work, the different work, already passed the time with him. Then what happened there? Next verse, Srila Satyavata Muni, iti drik swalila virananda kunde, iti drik swalila bhi ananda kunde, ananda kunde, the pond of Anand, the Ananda Kunde, the like ocean, swalila bhi, in by his own lila, pastime. His own pastime. Iti drik, like this, Swalilabhi Ananda Kunde, Sogho Sang Nima Jantam Akhyapayantam. Nima Jantam, in the pond, Nima Jantam, just like one entered to the ocean pond to swim, full water there, so swimming there. So this Leela Ananda Kunde, Leela Ananda, iti drik swalila bhi Ananda Kunde, स्वघोषं निमज्जन्तं आख्यापयन्तं. He enjoying this with this Leela. Stadiya sitagneshu bhaktirijitatam. Isitagneshu. Here both the Ishvara and the devotee, Bhakta. This both who own Bhakta. Ishvara repeated. He is Ishvara. He is the creator. But in bhakti, devotees, by devotion, see, own and Ishita, his opulence, mystic power did not work here. So when he saw this and he is there with this Damodar by tied with the mortar there, then Satyavrata Muni, he enjoying this, how you always surrender and conquer by your devotees. Tadiya sitagneshu bhakti rijitatam punaha premastatang sata vritti bande. Oh my Lord, again and again, all your these pastimes, 100 times, sata vritti bande, I am uttering and glorifying to you 100 times. Same this with your love, how you by maternal love you are in this condition now. Then Barang Deva Mukhyang Namokhya Vadhingba. Oh my Lord, oh Deva, I don't want anything. Then Supreme Lord offered to him, what do you want? You are glorifying 100 times. So what do you want? Any boon you want? Then he told her, oh my Lord, I don't want anything, even liberation. All mystic power, heavenly planet, or 5 types of liberation, I don't want anything. I want from you Nachanyam Bruneng Barashada Pihaidante Vapurnatha Gopala Balam. I want to with your Gopala Balam. This cowherd boy, this pastime always come to my mind, always appear, means you always show your this beautiful, sweet pastimes. I don't want to see anything else, and I don't want any boon from you. This is the glorious of this bhakti, mostly in Vrindavana Lila, the sweet pastimes with raga, nuga, spontaneous love of the gopis there. So here, how this is sweet pastimes, devotees don't want anything else. No liberation, no mystic power, no heavenly, no like Satyaloka, heaven, anything else. They don't want this. Because with the Supreme Lord, they want to enjoy with his pastimes Leela. So he told, I don't want anything, Prabhu. Please, you always appear in my heart with your this sweet, beautiful, your these attributes. So he glorified him, and Srila Rupa Goswami has written one book like Padyavali. He collected these poems, it is in Sanskrit, from ancient time, Many poets, they have seen the beautiful pastimes of this Supreme Lord, and Rupa Goswami collected, and how they composed. Rupa Goswami has collected and has written Padyavali, all poems there. One poem is written there regarding how Krishna was going to steal butter with his tricky. So Mother Yashoda, he was mother also, he is stealing from everyone. So once he came and with the gopis, mother was collecting butter and keeping, and Mother Rohini also there, and others, they were sitting and they are discussing topic. Some they about Krishna, Balaram, and how they are doing this, they are discussing. So Krishna came from backside. When he came backside, Gopis, they saw, then immediately told her, don't speak to mother. He told, don't tell to mother. So they are laughing and they don't tell anything. He came and there was one little night there. So he came and he off the lamp. So it became dark. Then it became dark. Then Krishna entered, then he took all butter. And mother went to bring again to light the lamp. So when he came, then he ran away. So this is written one nice poem, how for stealing butter, he was so eager, enthusiastic, and so naughty, with fear, with anxious, for with all his this ecstatic mood, he entered to how to steal butter from their house. The Supreme Lord here, if he is Supreme Lord, but for the demons, they see he is like death. It's Mrityur Bhojapate. But for devotees, he is sweet. Many such pastimes is written. Another one, small, this story there, Leela there. Once Radharani, she went to Yamuna to bring the water. And she was little evening time, and she was thinking maybe Krishna is always in the forest, maybe calm, but looking either thither. And she was going, if Krishna calm, maybe it will disturb me. She was thinking and looking. But where she entered to bring the water, Krishna already, he was in Kadamba tree. So in Kadamba tree, the Krishna's reflection was in the water. So when Radharani saw in the took the pot, the water, she said, Krishna is inside. So she saw, oh, how is Krishna is inside water? She was before thinking, maybe hither when he saw this, then she forgot the pot. Pot was floating in the river, and she wanted to go to catch Krishna. When she go to inside, then what happened? Some bubble come, and one bubble, one Krishna there. So how it is possible? Then she could not understand. She lost her intelligence, but entered inside the water to catch Krishna. And he entered inside. She already went there, and Krishna was not there. So what happened? She could not understand. She also lost the pot, was already in the water current flow away. So she could not get Krishna, also did not get. But what happened, why it happened, she could not understand. She came and she told to Lalita. Lalita told what I happened to me. I went to bring butter. I saw inside he was there. I wanted to catch him, but I never catch him. I never touch him. But I suffer there. It is my pain inside. Lalita told, you are crazy. You don't understand. She was staying in the of this tree in branch. You do not understand. You enter there. Oh, then it will know it's so not easy creating this. In this way, they were discussing and they tell to also Uddhav, Uddhav, your Supreme Lord, how you say he has no love, he has no any friends, no father, no mother, no friend, no enemy, nothing is there. He is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. But how he was joking with us, how he was playing with us, we are like this. How we can forget him? Now if we go to Yamuna, if we stay this ghat to bring water and we saw this, we remember all his pastimes. Then we forget everything. We only cry, and how we come out from this, how he can do like this. Then Uddhava told, oh Radhe, he is I understood now, he is the Lord of the love. It's Prema Purushottam, Leela Purushottam. So he is the Purushottam of the love. So it's nice, beautiful. All this pastime has written one devotee, Mahaprabhu's time named Basuramananda. Mahaprabhu's time it is written in Bengali. So beautiful this song also there. Thank you. We will discuss next verse, Idante Mukhambujam Atyanta Nilai. And tomorrow we will again meet. Let we chant Govinda Damodar one verse and we stop. Sri Krishna Vishnu Madhukaitavare Bhaktanukampin Bhagavan Murare. Sri Krishna Vishnu Madhukaitavare Bhaktanukampin Bhagavan Murare. Traya Swamanke Savalokanath Govinda Damodar Madhaveti. Traya Swamanke Savalokanath Govinda Damodar Madhaveti. Govinda Damodar Madhaveti. Govinda Damodar Madhaveti. Govinda Govinda Damodar Madhaveti. Govinda Damodar Madhaveti. Govinda Damodar Madhaveti. Govinda Damodar Madhaveti. Sukham Sayanam Nilayesa Vishnu Devarsi Mukhya Munaya Prapanna. Sukham Sayanam निलये च विष्णु देवर्षि मुख्या मुनयः प्रपन्ना तेनाच्युते तन्मयतां व्रजन्ति गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति तेनाच्युते तन्मयतां व्रजन्ति गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति 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 गोविन्द राधे राधे गोविंद गोविंद राधे 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 गोविंद गोविंद राधे राधे गोविंद गोविंद राधे 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 राधा दामोदर गोविंद राधे राधे राधा राधे 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 जय जय श्री राधे 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 जय जय श्री राधे 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 गोविंद गोविंद राधे 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 हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे Hare Gaura Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Hare Gaura Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol और प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल जय गुरु गौरांग हरि गोविंद नाथ मदर मराधा दामोदर जी की जय बलदेव जगन्नाथ सुभद्रा जय विष्णु महाराज की जय अनंतपुरी वैष्णव वृंद की जय हरि नाम संकीर्तन की जय गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि
जय विष्णु परमहंस परिव्राजक विष्णु महाराज की जय।
धन्यवाद गुरु महाराज। Todo bien, Guru Maharaj. Oh, Kishore ji.